After our participation in the international workshops, we come back home and we use a tool that the project uses to transfer what we have learned on the local level. This tool is called Knowledge Transfer Workshops. Two good examples that we have learned, one in REN, where they use a web-based platform that connects the labor market and the supply and demand side. And another good example used in the UK, where they apply a cross-sectoral method of cooperation for supporting the employed. Both things have been presented in the knowledge transfer workshops here in Cyprus. We have discussed about them, and we have already included them in our local action plan that we are preparing as an outcome of the project. So we are currently working on establishing a web-based platform that will connect the employers and the job seekers. We will apply it on a pilot basis here in the area of Latcha, and then we will extend it on a greater area of the district of Nicosia, and hopefully in the whole Cyprus.
We are designing now a workshop for September. It has two parts. The first one is to improve their job skills, and the second one is to strengthen their self-confidence and self-esteem.
The members of our ULSG, the Airbag Local Support Group, are very active and would like to continue their cooperation. Our Airbag Local Support Group is now named as Latcha Local Support Group, and they have already signed an MOU confirming that we are going to keep working on this task.